Today I am going to talk about importance of flu vaccination to prevent influenza illness. I am Dr. Lavanya Aribandi, an internal medicine doctor. Flu is a respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. Though flu infection is present throughout the year in India, the number of cases increase starting from monsoon season till almost the end of February. This may vary slightly from state to state. Though many people do get better after they get infected with flu virus, some people may have health-related complications. This is particularly so for people who have chronic conditions and some other vulnerable groups like pregnant women, children below the age of 5 years, and adults above the age of 65 years. One effective means to prevent flu-related complications and flu infections is by vaccination. Currently, an inactivated injectable quadrivalent influenza vaccine is available. All the adults above the age of 65 years, all pregnant women, people who have chronic health conditions should get vaccinated with flu every year starting from this year. The relevance of flu vaccine this year in times of COVID pandemic may be slightly different. Though there is a hypothesis that flu vaccination may prevent COVID-19 related complications, it is still a hypothesis. It is yet to be proven. We may know more in the coming times. However, to prevent double burden, that is, people getting infected with two respiratory infections at the same time, one important tool that is in our hands is to get vaccinated for flu. Indian Academy of Pediatrics recommends vaccinating all children starting from the age of 6 months and below the age of 5 years. From 6 years to 18 years, they do recommend flu vaccination if the child has any chronic conditions like respiratory illnesses, heart conditions, chronic liver conditions, kidney conditions, any kind of neurological problems, any other chronic or congenital illnesses. Below the age of 9 years, they may need 2 shots with 4 weeks time in between if they are taking the vaccine for the first time. Above the age of 9 years, they may just require 1 shot. If you are in a dilemma whether to get your child vaccinated or whether to get your family member vaccinated, please do consult a pediatrician or your general physician to get more guidance. Now is the time to get vaccinated with flu to prevent more infections this year. Take care.